So the main purpose of our test bed is for us to break into the heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration industries. There are a lot of standards out there, and obviously we need to meet those standards and ensure that our machines are regulated to those standards. So the benefits of testing the heat pump in a test bed facility is that we're able to understand the type of performance that we're going to get out of the machine. We can stress the machine in different scenarios under different conditions to better understand how to, one, deploy the equipment into different types of settings like a hotel, a commercial building, in a factory. And we can also then better understand how the machine is performing so we can make improvements. Ultimately, one of the things that sets us apart is our coefficient of performance. So if we can improve that coefficient of performance, it helps us create a bigger gap between competition. So the information that we're pulling from the test bed is absolutely invaluable to us. The way we built it, constructed it, designed it, was with the intent that we were going to be able to simulate multiple conditions and scenarios in multiple environments. And we want to be able to get that data off of our test bed because it gives us insight to how equipment is going to perform in the field, right? Our test bed is essentially simulating a field scenario. We want to understand when a heat pump gets put into a commercial building in one type of environment, how is it going to perform versus another type of environment. So we'll collect all that data through simulated scenarios on our test bed, and we'll run some analytics, and ultimately that'll give us feedback on how we can make changes and improve the way that the machine performs. And the benefit of having the data feedback in the test bed for our machine is that we can better understand how the machine is interacting with the test bed itself. So it also helps us get a handle on the type of performance that we can achieve, and it also helps us get a handle on the types of customers and the types of environments that the machine is going to benefit the most.